boys are all like, give him the blankie, give him the blankie. Do you see what he does for this blanket? He turns vicious about this blanket. He loves his blankie though. I think he doesn't understand that he is a bird. I've never seen a bird who's like okay with just being toweled. He just likes to sit here and just do this.